Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into United Finance account. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. For now, I am using Chrome. Then on the address bar, search for this URL. Then your login page of United Finance will be open. You just have to fill out this form to log into your account. First of all, you have to enter your mobile number or user ID. Then enter your password. If you do not remember your password, then you can just click on this button. And if you haven't registered your account yet, then simply click on Register Now option available here. At last, when you fill out both of the information correctly, click on Login button to log into your account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.